welcome back to your girl channel. My name is Mo, if you didn't already know. In today's video, we're going to be doing a wig install. I am going to be using Supernova's hair, and today I'm actually going to be doing the bold hold glue. So I normally don't do stuff like this. I did actually do a video with the bold hold glue before, and I actually kind of liked it. It wasn't too bad. So we're going to try to do that again today. I do notice that with the bold hold glue, it does kind of melt a little bit better than the Got2b spray. So that's what I'm gonna do. I already kind of molded my hair down. I'm gonna put a little bit of edge control on my edges to get that hair to stick back. This is the wig from Supernova. It is so freaking pretty, so long and thick. It is 180% density, so I feel like that's like the perfect thickness of a wig, especially for this length. I think this one is a 22 or 24 inch, and it's just really cute. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on. I did already install like an adjustable band in the inside, that way it can lay flatter. Now that I have my cap on, I am doing the bald cap method. I'm gonna spray my Got2b. All right, babes, that's the full install from start to finish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check the description box. I do have a code. It is Mo, so you can save some money off, sis. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.